Actually, what happened? There was a problem. Uh, Yesterday, I was playing, that snake and ladder with the elephant. Yeah, with the elephant. And uh, elephant got angry because elephant had to always get down because of the snake. So elephant got angry and the elephant put its leg on the dice with an anger. Okay, and the dice, you know what happens with the dice then? What would have happened? If elephant puts the leg on the dice, what would have happened? Yeah. So now, how do I play? Dice is gone. How can I play? There is no more dice available. And now today I have a game with the lion, and the dice is not available. So now, if I don't play with lion, lion is going to kill me. So I must have to arrange for a dice. What to do? Can you help? Can you send me a dice? Yeah? Yes? No? Yes, Jen? What should I do?
So you can make a dice out of paper.
I can make a dice out of paper. Okay, good idea. Okay, possible. But what if it rains when I'm playing the snake and ladder in the forest with the lion? Okay. So for this problem of dice, what do I do? Lion is just waiting for me. As soon as I finish this class in next 10-20 minutes, I'll have to play the snake and ladder, and irrespective of whether I lose or win, he's going to kill me because I won't play at all because of the dice, and I won't be able to tell him that it is elephant and not me. He won't listen for sure. So what I thought is to code a dice. Is it possible? Yeah. Is it a good idea? Yes? Okay. So let's code a dice. Fine. I'll share my screen. Let's see if I can really code something so I can play with lion and can save my life. Okay. So here, first thing first. A dice how many sides? A dice has how many sides? A dice can have. Yeah? 6. Correct. Very good. 6. Salona is showing with the fingers. Yes, 6. Now, every time it should, can it be like every time it just come 2? Is it possible? Can it be a dice then? No. It must be different, no? Yeah? It must be different. It can be 1 sometime, or sometime it can be 5, and then 6, and then 2, and 3, and 1, and 5. It can be, what word can we use for that? When the numbers are coming in a way which doesn't form a pattern, what do we call to that? Yes, Arohi?
Sir, we call that as random.
Superb. What do we call it? Random. When something is not in a pattern but keeps coming in a way which doesn't form any pattern, that means it's random. Okay? Random. So now what we need is we need to get random numbers, and all the numbers should be between, what is the range here? Can it be 12? Can it be 15? Can it be 19? Can it be 25? No. Then from where to where should it be? Yeah? Yes? Yes? Okay, yeah, 1 to 6. Correct. It must be between 1 to 6. Am I right? It must be between 1 to 6. So let's code that. I'll share my screen again and you'll see that. So here I go to variables first and create the variable dice number. Okay, dice number is a variable. and set dice number to this thing and go to math. And you scroll down, and here you find a function, here you find a command, random integer. Use that. Random integer from, now what is the range? Is it 1 to 100 for us? No, what is the range for us? 1 to 6. So I write here 6. Set dice number to random integer from 1 to 6. Okay. And then I just try. Let me try once. I'll use print command and variable dice number. Let's see what happens. I'll press run and it should print a number, right? Run. Okay, it prints 3. Now next turn. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 3, 1, 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 6, 3, 6. Is it random now? Yes. So it generates random numbers from 1 to 6, as good as a dice. In the dice, sometimes some numbers can repeat, sometimes some number can not come for long. So yes, it works exactly. But now this lion, as you know what it needs, he needs a proper dice. So what to do? What I'll use now is, instead of this dice number, what can I do is, I'll go to loops and will repeat not 10 times, but dice number times, and will print dots. A dot. And I'll go to style and we'll change the font size. I will make the big fonts, okay? And I press run now. It's 4. It's 1. Oh, it's 6. And it's 4. And it's 1. And it's 6. And it's 2. And it's 5. And it's 3. Good. Our dice is ready. Yes? Is it? Yeah. Thank God. But you know this lion, he's the king. I'm sure he won't be happy with this dice. Why? Because it comes in a line. All the dots are in a line. And I'm sure he is going to scold me or even kill me for that. He's not seeing the real dice yet. I'll have to do that. What I can do is now, instead of this, repeat. Now what I do, I'll use logic and if condition. If, okay, in the logic, if the dice number is 1. Okay, if dice number is 1, then print dot. Okay, so it will do that. If dice number is 1, then print only 1 dot. Then you click on this blue button. Can you see this blue button? Click on it and use this else if. Okay, you remove repeat now and you use this print one more time. Here, set the condition that if dice number is equal to 2, then print 2 dots. But again, how does the dots are placed in the dice? So for that, what I do, I'll create a cross section like this. So it looks like a dice. Okay. and I'll have to place new line in between. Now let's see. For our testing purpose, what I do here is I'll use from 1 to only 1 and 2. Okay, and let's see how does it work. I'll press run. 1, 1, 2. See, now it's 2 across, right? I'll add some more, one more space. Yeah, it looks like a dice now. Yes. Okay. I will add one more else if. So this is for 3. This is for 4. This is for 5. This is for 6. Oh, okay. When it comes to 6, we don't need else if, because that is the last number. No, 6 is the last number. So then we'll use else. And then you click on the blue button again, and this pop-up goes. It goes now. And now you see if 1, else if 2, else if 3, else if 4, else if 5. If none of this, then else do for 6. And you'll have to create the pattern. I already have a program created. I'll show you that. Here it is. You all can see my screen, correct? And see, here is the 5. I press run. It's 2. It's 3. It's 6. It's 4. And it's 3. And it's 6 again. 6 again. And 2, and 4, and 3. 2, 4. See, it's random. Any number can, now it's 5, any number can come. And the design is as good as the dice, isn't it? The placement of the dots are as good as a dice. So I have created this dice in 2 ways. One, with repeat loop and straight line dots, and with if condition in this kind of real pattern of a dice. Do you think lion will be satisfied with this? Yes. Thank God.